Hello and welcome. Today I am going to start a tutorial series on using the SolidWorks software. So let's get started. So SolidWorks is a very nice software. It is very user friendly and you can learn it very easily. So let's take a look to its interface. So this is the first window which you look after opening the software. So here first option is the file menu. In file menu you can see the regular options like new and open. So in new you can see three options. First one is the part, second one is the assembly, and third one is the drawing. So in part means the individual component which you want to model for creating the assembly. You can create the assembly when you have the required parts modeled. So in assembly you can join all the parts created using different types of connections and make your product using the assemblies. Whenever you are creating the part, you need to create its manufacturing drawing. So there is the drawing options. In drawing you can create the detailed manufacturing drawing of the part which you have manufactured or modeled. So these are the three options. We will take a look towards them in detail afterwards. Let's look to another menus. The view menu. In view menu there are toolbars, touch mode, full screen. You can toggle to full screen or the regular screen. You can toggle the views or the toolbars, task pane, motion manager or status bar. You can tick them to make them visible or invisible. Then next option is the tools. So in tools you can see the SolidWorks application, Express products, SolidWorks CAM, design checker, compare. So we will take a look towards the add-in options. So in add-ins there are all the SolidWorks softwares or the plugins available like CircuitWorks, PictureWorks, PhotoView 360. All this you can toggle on or off. By default SolidWorks Photo View 360 is on and the simulation is on. Whenever you are working on routing or SolidWorks motion, you need to turn on them from the add-ins, just like toolbox and just all things. Then the help. If you want any help, you can ask the help from here. There is the SolidWorks help. SolidWorks help, you can launch the help from here. There are the SolidWorks tutorials also, student curriculum, student resources. These are for students. Then there is the home options. From home you can access the recent documents, or you can also create a new part, new assembly, new drawing from here. You can also open the recent documents or any document you want. Then in recent it shows all the parts you worked on. Learn, there are also tutorial series available from SolidWorks. Then alerts, these are not such important. Then same, there is the new button for creating the new part, assembly or drawing. Then this is the open option, open browser recent document or recent folder. Then these are the options which will get activated once you start creating a part. This is the save, print, undo, select and rebuild. Rebuild is the used to rebuild the or update your model. If you are if you made any change, you need to click on rebuild option. There is the properties button. It shows all the properties of your document. It is currently inactive. Then in settings, in options you can see all the system options. We will not take a look towards them now, we will look them afterwards. Then add-ins, same as we have seen. You can adjust the button size from here or save or restore the setting. These are the menus. Then this is the search window. From here you can search for help, or if any command is missing, you can search any command from here, just like extrude, revolve, or any other. Then to open any file, then to go to my SolidWorks, all other things which you want to search. If you are having a my SolidWorks account, you can log in from here. Saying this is for launching the help. Then this is the SolidWorks resources. Then this is the main or important thing, which is SolidWorks toolbox. From here you can access the design library, toolbox, 3D content center, and SolidWorks content center. Then there is the file explorer. From here you can access different files you have created. Then the palette viewer, it is used in the drawing when you want to drag and drop any view of your product into drawing. Then this is also an important option, which is appearance. In appearance, you can add different appearances to your product, just like plastic, high gloss or medium gloss, low gloss, textured, and there are the sub items supporting according to its colors and textures. Then this is the properties window. You can access the properties of file, and then this is the SolidWorks forum. If you are having any question and you are not finding its answer anywhere, you can ask your answer by going to SolidWorks forum. And if you want that this means proper SolidWorks resources window is continuously on, you can pin it, or you can leave it as it is. It will stick here. So that's all about the interface. So let's see the 3D modeling interface. So I will create new file and new part. So click OK. It will take some time to load. So this is our 3D modeling environment. So first of all, this is our working area or the user interface. This is the same as the SolidWorks properties window or the resources window. So let's take a look towards this. So here is the features. So features means all over the options or all over the work which you done on a 3D part. These are the all options which are applicable to a 3D part. Then sketch. This is for creating a 2D sketch. So all over the work, all the work which you will do on 2D sketch, all the options are available here. Then these are then others are not important, but we will see some important things like evaluate. So evaluate is the options. From here you can evaluate your part, like measuring the part, mass properties of the part, section properties, performance evaluations, and other things. We will take a look in depth afterwards. Then there are render tools, SolidWorks add-ins. You can also activate the other add-ins from here, like routing, simulation, SolidWorks toolbox, and etc. There is simulations for CAE or analysis, the analysis preparation softwares, flow simulations, and other things. First of all, in this tutorial series, we will continuously work on features and sketch, and sometimes we will work on evaluate. Then let's take a look towards the 3D modeling interface. This is the zoom to fit. If you are lost your part somewhere, you can click it. It will completely set to the your window. This is zoom to area, to zoom to any area. Previous view, cut section view. This is used to take a sectional view of any product. Dynamic annotation view. Then this is the orientation. You can toggle to any view like top view, front view, right view, or corner or isometric view. Then these are the different showing options like shaded with edges, shaded, hidden lines removed, or hidden lines, or wireframe, or integrated preview. Then this is the hide and show items. You can hide and show whatever you want, like you want to show planes or hide the planes, you want to show the primary planes or other things. Here you can apply appearances to your part. Then these are the different environments. We will take a look after means when we start 3D modeling. Here you can access some visual effects like shadow, perspective, cartoon or real view graphics. This button is normal to button. If in your software it is not showing you here, you can search here like normal 2, and this is the normal 2. You can drag and drop it here, and if you want to take it here, you need to first of all click on here, customize, then you can drag and drop it here. As I am already having it here, I will leave it as it is. So this is your model tree. Here you will see the name of part, history, sensors, annotations, solid bodies. If you are having different solid bodies, it will be looking shown in this folder, equations, materials. So here by right clicking on it, you can edit the material of the part, like brass, copper or anything. In edit material there are many materials, standard materials available, like steel, different varieties of steel, iron and many more. We will take a look later. Then here is a front plane, top plane, right plane and the origin. These are not visible. If you want to make them visible, you can control and select all of them and then click on show. So this is our quadrant view or the view of planes. So this is front plane, top plane or right plane. Then this is all. There are also all the menus. Some new menus are added. In file there is new, open, open recent, open drawing, make drawing, save, save as, save all, print, publish to e-drawing, properties, exit, customize and etc. In edit there are some options like undo, redo, but there is nothing we have done, so it is inactive. Repeat last command, select all, cut, paste, rebuild and all other. Then in insert you can access the features, like you can see here in features there are many features: cut, browse, pattern, fastening. Means all the tools available here you can also access from insert. Some tools like some features, like features means all the tools in these features, all these tools will be available here in features. Some extra tools are also available here, which are not available here. In tools we can access different tools. We will take the sketch entities. There is the detailed sketch entities, sketch tools. We will take later on in consideration. Then that's fine for this video. So I will show I will show you how to sketch. So to start sketching, you need to select the plane and click on sketch, or you can click here and select the line option, and it will align the plane towards align the plane to normal view. Then you can sketch a line. To cancel the command, you need to double click on the white area, or you can just click here. Okay, so this is my sketch created. I will hide all the planes. So this is my sketch. You can dimension them by clicking on smart dimension, and you can give the dimension like 30 and 40. These are in mm. You can exit the sketch from here. So this is my sketch created, and it is also listed here like sketch. If I want to rename it, simply select it and click the F2 or function 2 button on your keyboard and rename it like square sketch 1. So I want to convert it into a solid cube, so I will go to features, then extruded boss. So here is only one sketch, so it automatically selected it. Then in extrude I will type 30 to give it a thickness and click OK. So this is my cube created. So to save it, I will click File, Save, and then I will select the directory where I want to save it. So I will save to my folder SolidWorks files and practice, and part 1 save. There is already no, I will not save it. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.